So hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, currently studying in MD third year in University of Perpetual Help in Philippines. Okay. So guys, in this video I'll be giving you some insights about the NMAT examination. Like you can also call this as advice or tips about NMAT exam, because I was getting a lot of DMs in WhatsApp, Instagram कि भैया कुछ तो बता दो, एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, because you all are having your NMAT date exams I think up to May 8 or May 9. So hopefully those who have not given the examination NMAT, it's going to be useful for you all. Okay, so before heading into the video guys, थोड़ा टाइम निकालो, do churn out a minute and subscribe to the channel, ठीक है, और घंटी बजा दो and do like. Okay, so now let's get into the video. Okay, so the first part is in NMAT examination there are no negative markings. Okay, नेट में होता है नेगेटिव मार्किंग, बट देर आर नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग इन एनमैट. सो अटेम्प्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज पेपर 1 जो कि लॉजिकल पेपर है, लाइक क्वांटिटेटिव, वर्बल, परसेप्चुअल एक्विटी, ये सब. सो दिस पेपर इज अ बिट लेंथी. ओके, लाइक इन 2 hours सॉल्विंग 120 क्वेश्चंस, it's a tough task, it takes time. Okay, so in verbal wala part, in the comprehension wala section, okay, there will be 2 comprehensions. So when the comprehensions will be there, don't go and start reading the comprehension and then go and see the 4 or 5 questions which are there, and then again try to find the answers of those questions by reading the comprehension. Okay, first go through the questions, then start reading the comprehension. So if you get the answer of that question, you can directly mark it there. Okay, so try to solve that paper as quick as possible, because you will take some time also in quantitative and perceptual equity. In that also mirror image wala question are there, so it will take some time. But yeah, first paper will take time, but try to solve the questions as quick as possible. And obviously second paper is all about how much you have covered about all the course, all the coverage of the subjects like physics, chemistry, bio. If you have read well, you can do the paper well. Paper 2 totally depends on your knowledge, but the first paper is all about your mental ability, like how good you are in maths and all that. Okay, and mirror imaging wala questions. But yeah, another thing is, you know, there are no negative markings. So for example, if there are 40 questions left over and only 10 minutes are left, okay, so do one thing, don't try that there are 40 questions, I can solve 10 questions in 10 minutes and those 10 will be correct. Don't think like that. In those 10 minutes, try to guess all the 40 questions and mark all the 40 questions. Okay, the most important thing is like attempting all the questions. Okay, there is a more probability of like getting more and like more questions correct. Okay, so do this, it is going to be very useful for you. Okay, and then the third point is, don't compare NMAT with NEET. Okay, because if you see the level of the paper, they're almost the same, and in NMAT there are 2 papers, so it seems a bit difficult, but the paper level is same. But in NEET, to get a seat, you have to get at least 99 percentile over there. Okay, in NEET. Okay, because the competition is very high. But here in NMAT, you just need to be in the top 60 percentile to qualify. Okay, because 40% is the qualifying, you just need to get more than 40 percentile, that is 41 percentile. Okay, so don't like compare and all that stuff. And also there is one more thing. Suppose like your paper, you gave an NMAT and your paper was not that good, like mediocre, you can say your paper was average or below average also. Okay, but don't lose hope guys, that doesn't mean you will not get 40 percentile. Okay, because it depends, NMAT depends more of not on your performance, also on the performance of other students. Okay, because if your paper was average or like below average, and most of the students, their paper was also below average, okay, so you have a very good chance of getting more than 40 percentile. Okay, because it's all about percentile, not about the percentage, like how much marks you are scoring. Okay, you have to get more than 40 percentile. So a lot of the things depends on other students, how they are performing in the exam. Okay, and then the fourth point is, guys, don't panic. Okay, suppose you have given your NMAT exam, you didn't qualify, still don't panic. If it's also your second try or third try, still don't panic. Okay, because the thing is, I'll give you example of perpetual. Okay, I can't tell it directly on the public platform, but I'll give you example. Okay, so in our college, I have a lot of friends of mine who have given 2 or 3 tries and they didn't qualify for NMAT. Okay, but still they are enrolled in MD. Okay, and I know also some of my seniors who didn't clear NMAT and now they are practicing medicine in India. So guys, chill, like you can get a waiver and get enrolled into MD, because the certificate of NMAT is needed while you are getting enrolled into MD. Okay, if you are having a certificate of appearing, it's also fine, but yeah, after getting into MD also you can try giving NMAT and you can clear it, okay, because it's of more a luck factor, okay, because if other students are doing poorly and you have done your paper average also, you can get it done easily, okay. And try to do good in your first paper. You have not studied physics, chemistry, bio, it's fine guys, try to score good in the first paper and then just attempt 120 questions in the second paper. I think we'll easily get 45 or 50 percentile, okay, मतलब आराम से हो जाता है, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है, but yeah, try to attempt all the questions, okay. And then some instructions like when you are giving the exam, try avoiding any sort of noise, because your audio will be on, your webcam will be on, but your audio will be on. They give a lot of focus on your audio, okay. If there are also, like, even if not in your room, like the sound is coming from your surroundings, they will ask you to show the room, okay. Don't panic, because it is their ritual, okay. Even if there is no sound, you don't do cheating and all that, still they will ask you to at least show the whole room 2 times, okay. At the start of the exam or might be in the between of the exam, okay. So don't get panic at that time. मतलब ये उनका रिचुअल है, काम है, करना पड़ता है उनको, ठीक है. तो डोंट टेक टेंशन अबाउट दैट. Another thing is before the exam date, try to install that browser, okay. And yeah, another thing is you can give the exam. I think the browser only gets installed in Windows laptop, so do keep a mind on that. Try to install it a day prior and see that everything is working, because a lot of the students are having their exams at 4 a.m. in the morning, that is 7 a.m. PST, Philippines time. So the exam is around 4:30 IST. So at that time also you can do anything, because most of the students or most of the mechanics or anything, like, they would be sleeping. So yeah, previous day get it done, and yeah, like, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइज. अच्छा करना, अच्छा करोगे, ये सबका हो जाएगा यार, वो तो कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है. हाँ, तो पहला पेपर पे फोकस करो, सारे क्वेश्चन करो, हो जाएगा सब कुछ. और इसी बात पे सब्सक्राइब कर लो, ठीक है. सो दैट्स इट फॉर द वीडियो गाइज. सो थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. और फिलीपींस जाने के लिए अच्छे खबर आ रहे हैं, ट्वीट्स का भी चल रहा है. अगर उस पर कुछ अच्छा आता है तो मैं उसके ऊपर भी एक वीडियो बना दूंगा. बट हाँ, ठीक है, फिर उसके ऊपर एक वीडियो बना दूंगा. कुछ तो मीटिंग होने वाला है कल, तो एक बार वो मीटिंग हो जाए फिलीपींस में, तो उसका जो भी आता है मैं आपको एक बार बता दूंगा, ठीक है. सो या, दैट्स इट फॉर द वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस.